I'm feeling way too low to start this night.
Hello guys, welcome back and welcome if you are new in today's video. Today's video is going to be a small fridge clean and organization. I have a really tiny fridge and I need some type of organization because I do buy some snack for the kids, so if I don't organize it, it won't fit. So if you are interested in this video, just keep watching. The first thing I'm doing, I'm just going to take everything out of the fridge and give the fridge a good clean up. I'm using dish soap and water, warm water, to clean the fridge, and then later on I'm just going to use plain water to wipe everything down.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belong. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Cause all you need is somebody. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out?
Now it's time to the fun part. The fridge is all nice and clean. It's time to organize everything. I'm just going to soak all the fruit and vegetable while I start organizing, and then I'm going to come back to this. And I don't put it in containers or anything, because if I said I need to put them all in separate containers, that's going to take space again. So I just leave them where they can, just I have to soak them, so when the kids want them, it's all ready for them to have. So now it's time to organize the fridge.
I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part
Okay guys, this is now going to be all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed and it did give you some motivation. So as you can see, what I'm explaining right there is if I have like any leftovers, because I still have space at the top, I will just place it and then put the butter on top of it. So because I still got space at the top, so that's how I do it. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a like. I will really appreciate it, and it also does help out my channel. And I will talk to you guys and see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.